if I'm a new entrepreneur and I'm coming out of maybe college and I kind of know what my journey is and I'm kind of figuring out how do I get my profile on LinkedIn, what words of wisdom would you give to me to get me to the next level?
Such a great question. I would say remember all of the experience you have. If you are 22 and just graduating college, you may have been written the newspaper for your sorority or fraternity. You may have been on the school paper. There's lots of credible things that you may have done that are credible. That's experience. LinkedIn doesn't say list your jobs, it says list experience. So pull from all the things. If you doesn't matter, whatever you did, it's experience. So know that you're stepping into the workforce or the world or the new entrepreneurial world with experience. So pull from that and shine a light on all of that. The other thing is there's probably a lot of things that you've done that you can be sharing. Like start to, whatever it is you're looking to do, you need to start to show up like you know your stuff. And we have this ability to do that now because of things like blogs and podcasts and YouTube videos, right? So create some kind of a content strategy and then go on LinkedIn and show up. So you know how like people think about LinkedIn as a resume, right? Your resume is all about who you used to be. On LinkedIn, I want you to think about like dress for the job you want, not the job you have. Show up for the person that you are stepping into. Don't make stuff up, but be confident in saying, this is how I can transform your life if we work together. And that, and don't think that you can't do that because you don't have experience or whatever. You can. You might feel like a fifth grader, right? But to a third grader, you're a big deal, right? So show up confidently that you can help the people you can help, and look and put your brand out to the future, not looking back to who you used to be.